Hi there! In this video, I'll be showing you how to set authentication for an existing flow. Let's preview it. Here is the entered prompt. The flow consists of a straightforward step. It returns as much data as the customer requests in the input. To set an API key, head over to the Endpoint section. Go to the Authentication tab. By setting your flow as protected, you can protect sensitive information and ensure that only authorized users have access to it. This helps to prevent unauthorized access. Set it to protected. And let's generate a key. Let's just copy the value. You can enter any name for your key. And save it. And don't forget to save your flow. Open Postman. Select Post. Go to the Headers tab. Select X API key. And paste the generated value. Let's head over for a second to Transformify Automate. There is this info section that says pass one of generated API keys in the request header X API key. That's why we selected X API key. Now copy the URL. Back to Postman. Paste it. Copy the JSON object. Paste it in the Body tab. JSON format. That's it. Click Send. If the status says it's OK, you can preview the flow in JSON format for better visualization. If you don't select the key, the status will say Not Authorized. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check out our other videos and let us know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.